dessert.
Eat.
Go.
Eat.
Go.
Go!
The hardest part about this is having an audience.
Don't worry about it.
I have to watch you eat this.
Talk amongst yourselves.
Hey, Dakota, you ready to watch Karen eat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch.
Go.
Can I push it
Come
towards
on.
your face? No. Well, it's just so far away. No, it's so yummy.
Eat it fast.
No hands. You gotta put
to eat
it
it
under
all.
the table. There you go.
Karen, just eat it.
I can't eat it if it's up my nose.
Dakota had cake up her nose on Monday.
Come on, eat it.
She's
Eat it
gonna
like
eat the rest of the cake.
we raised a lot of money. I think it's
No,
worth
you're
you just
not.
sticking your head in it. Just chowing down.
It's for the
Use your
children in
teeth.
Africa.
Shove your
Come
face
on.
and then you eat it.
Karen, stop it.
Come on.
Come on, Karen.
Come
Open
on.
your mouth. Open your mouth. Bite.
Come on.
Bite.
Oh, I was recording it for you. I was recording it for
So
you.
good.
Will you hurry up and eat it? Do you like the sauce? I made the sauce.
You love the noodles. I love having food on my face.
You have no idea.
The sauce is very good.
I think for the sake of video entertainment, you really just need to dive in.
Yeah, this is a very...
This video is getting a little bit boring.
Yeah.
No hands. No hands. Can I help you eat it?
Your hands away, Karen. I'm gonna choke.
No, you're not. Do you need a drink?
It's like a pineapple latte.
Yes. It's like, oh, I will totally do.
Take a drink.
She's too cute about this. I was thinking she just shove her face.
No, don't you understand? I do not eat the food on my face.
No. You need to practice.
Come on, Karen. Come on, Karen. I'm kind of full.
No, you're not.
Are you ready for dessert?
No, no, she
She
isn't.
has to eat 4.
Shoot. I just thought I'd come up and be like,
Kayla.
I'd be done with that.
is she just like upset?
Oh, yeah.
We should.
What is that? I knew what it was. I just like no, she didn't know what it was.
I can't eat faster.
We should have a pie.
Yes, and Karen has to be a part of it. Karen has to be a part of it. Jamie? Yes.
Never
Can't wait to see your shape.
again will I ever use that downstairs bathroom.
2,500 to go, Karen.
You know what? If you ate it faster, you should make an awesome YouTube video. Just saying. I really wanted. So I watched Jenna Marbles today.
Come on, Karen, eat
I
it.
so
funny.
sad to say I did. I did open it.
Karen, finish eating your spaghetti.
Come on, Karen.
Come on, you can do it.
Wait, can I eat it?
Hang
Can I
on,
just
hang
eat
on. Come
it?
here, baby. We're gonna
She
do
can
this.
eat the other. Will you eat it with your face?
There's a lot of people who want to eat it right now.
I'm eating some for sure.
Somebody
Don't
can
like
do
that.
anything. Is that her dessert?
Don't put your fingers in there.
Come on.
It's all good. I
Come on, we raised a lot of money. You gotta,
Come on,
you just gotta.
I'm working on it.
Shut her
You gotta,
face and eat
yeah,
it all.
Just eat it real
Right
fast.
into it. There you go. There you go.
Is your plate turned around?
I'm super full.
Just okay, then just rub your face in it. That's all we want.
Just gonna mess.
It's really all they're looking for is for you to rub your face in the plate. Eat it or not.
I don't think they understand. I don't do that.
I think it'd be in your best interest to just do it.
Just do it. Just do it.
There.
Excuse me, the heebie-jeebies.
Hey Karen, are you ready for some
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here you go.
Karen, you have to sit it down.
What is
Okay.
it? Is that like all whipped cream? What's in it?
No, there's pie underneath.
lemon
This one,
and
you
meringue
absolutely
with
have
cream.
to install.
Seriously, I have to chew what's in my mouth.
Chew it. This is really good
This one, you
spaghetti.
absolutely have to rub your face in it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this.
Okay, Jimmy and Dakota, do you guys want to come over to my house and like bake me dinner every day?
Yeah, can you guys come make us dinner every Wednesday?
It's pretty handy.
Well, because we know she couldn't drink out of a cup. She can't use her hands. Amanda, you look so beautiful. Okay.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Now you gotta do it yourself.
It's all mixed together in your stomach anyway.
Oh, gross.
That is
Spaghetti
gross.
looks so gross on there.
She looks like she's gonna
Sorry for me.
Not right now.
We raised too much money to feel sorry.
Yeah.
You're next.
Just rub your face in it. Come on, that's all. That's all we want.
Eat it.
That's all we want. Just put some left.
I'm gonna throw up.
I actually, if you guys raise money in like 10 minutes, I'll offer you $100.
How about one more really? Did you even get to the lemon?
If you raise
No, you didn't.
$500,
Okay, you have to get to the lemon
fundraise
before you're
yourself,
done.
I will do it.
I have so much.